Okay friends, let's start off in Google Play Store and search Canva there and click on it, download, and you can go to Google browser and there you can search canva.com and again you'll get Canva there and click on install in Play Store. And after opening Canva, you should sign in with Google. Click on it. Now it will open and go to the search box and type YouTube thumbnail. There you can see thumbnail and click on blank. Or if you want any template, you can click on it and remove text and do anything. After, how to click text and click on the text option and add text there. Add what text you want. I'm adding YouTube thumbnail. And here we can adjust it how we want, and we can change our font color and everything. We can select our font, bold, italic, or any font. We can select it. And you can select add a heading option there. Click on add a heading and add your text there again if you want. Add and then setting YouTube thumbnail. Can adjust it like we want very nicely. We can adjust it, and here you can select our background color like I'm showing. I'm selecting some black and some white, medium black. I'm selecting my background color. See, there one white color cursor will be there that we can move and select our background color like this. After selecting that, we should change our font color. Like there, you should click on color and you can change your color. I'm selecting white there. I can make the size big and small there. So click on the elements tab there and we can select our PNG. I am searching YouTube. You can search anything and you can get any image you want. I am searching YouTube there. You can see I got so many PNGs. So I have selected first PNG. It is nice. You can change the color by seeing the down option color. There you can click and change your color and you can adjust it like text. And here we should go to upload option there and add our photo. Down you can see upload. There we should click and add our photo there. We can upload our photo and we sign in. If you're not signing, we can't upload a photo there. And we uploaded this photo, my photo.